Good morning, it's Scott with OWG, Overlanding with God. Today we are putting a Synergy track bar bracket and we're putting a Synergy sector shaft brace in the Jeep. Here's the sector shaft bracket and the hardware. Here's the track bar bracket and the hardware. And of course the sticker that obviously adds 5 horsepower to your vehicle. Can't go without that. What's the point in all this? Add strength and add support to your Jeep. Put oversized tires on it, there's extra strain, extra binding when you're turning, when you're planting those tires. What about adding strength to your life? How about adding support to your life? You know, I texted my buddy Matt, who's going to be helping us with this, and asked him if I could borrow a tool. And this morning, not only did he say yeah, but this morning he's like, well, do you need me to come over and help with the camera or give you any moral support? Yeah, we need support in our lives. Whether it be the church, whether it be your family, or your friends.
Just disconnecting the sway bar.
And again, the sway bar provides support for the vehicle going around corners.
We have to move the sway bar because of this bolt right there.
All right.
The sway bar's right in the way.
In Romans 15:1, now we who are strong ought to bear the weakness of those without strength and not just please ourselves. You see, this track bar mount was strong enough. It was doing its job. But with the added suspension lift and tires, it became stressed and weak and it needed help. Much like us, even the strong people aren't strong all the time. They need support. Any suggestions on that?
What's that?
The spring's in the way of the socket.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Alright, last bolt. Matt's underneath supporting the steering box.
Got it.
Alright.
Alright. It's actually holding itself up there pretty good.
Alright. The bolt that we're having issues with is still bound up. It's not in the steering box, it's in the spring.
That is some engineering right there. Engineering.
Engineering?
Dual rate springs so tight up on the top. Triple rate would be worse. Rubber mallet might be needed.
Yeah, rubber mallet's going to be needed. There's no might about it.
A little tight on the track bar down below. There you go.
My keys.
Now you can push it. Yeah, now we can worry about that upper.
This one's got to go on this way for the clearance. We did the top one to match it.
There's a washer.
Psalm 118:13. You pushed me violently so that I was falling, but the Lord helped me. Who are you helping? Who are you a support for? Who are your support? I challenge you. Write a list. Give a list of who you support, whether it's large or small, and then also put a list together of who's supporting you. Kind of interested to see which list is longer. For example, in this video, I've added a track bar support bracket and a sector shaft support bracket to add extra support and strength to the steering components of this Jeep. My friends and family, well, they support me by standing by my side and participating in these ventures I do.
Alright, that's the easiest way to get in there.
And that just becomes permanent.
Yeah.
We'll get it later. But it's not just one way. I support them too. I'm over at Matt's helping him as much as I can. I do things around the house to help my wife. I volunteer. I help out every chance I get. So, yeah, get out there, do something. Support your community. That's what it's about. And if you don't know how, ask. There are plenty of people out there that need help and support. And it doesn't have to be monetary. It can be time and just listening.
Boom. It's snugged.
Okay.
There.
This is a clearance issue we're having.
We might.
We might have, we're not real sure. Right here.
We have to flex it.
Yep, we'll flex it and check. As I'm finishing up tightening everything and putting the tires back on, I just want to encourage you to thank the people in your lives that support you. And I want to thank you for supporting me by subscribing and viewing my videos. We're in this here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day. Remember, you fix the Jeep fixes you. See you in the next video.